Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Mridula and I make food related content. If you enjoy watching such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This vlog is a very messy vlog. I don't know what I've shot for this vlog, but I have shot some clips prior to recording my intro. I'll just attach all of those clips after my intro. For context, I was at my native place when I shot this video. I did not wanted to break my streak of posting every week, so I somehow managed to shoot there. Actually, you know what? I'm very surprised by what all I can get. I thought that it would be so much harder for me to maintain my diet, that is high protein diet. But then I went to this one mart yesterday, and surprising how not just paneer but I found literally everything. There was high protein yogurt, not yogurt but skyer, whatever it is pronounced, can be ignored, can be ignored. I cannot stop them, but yeah. I literally found high protein yogurt, tofu as well, not just paneer but tofu, but literally everything. I think that I'll go to that mart again today. There were millet pancakes. There was literally everything that you can find in Mumbai, and it is very surprising. This is not a rural area, but yes, it is. I know what is considered to be a rural area or an urban area, but definitely this is not an urban area. You cannot expect to find paneer, tofus, and all of that, but clearly I found all of that today. And I think that I'll also go there today and buy some stuff. So I'll take you there and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And I also found these ramen and noodles and all of that very surprising, very shocking. I'm going to also review this one protein powder by the Whole Truth. I'm very excited to try that because I love the protein bar of that flavor. It is called the flavor is coffee cocoa, if I'm not wrong, and I absolutely love the protein bars of that flavor. So I'm excited to try pausing and recording it again and again because there are so many people here going here and there and working, so I cannot stop them. But yeah, there's literally nothing up to 30 minutes here. I mean, it's just a house between a jungle, you can say. I have shot some cinematic. I don't know if that's cinematic or not, but I've shot some clips how it looks here, so I'll add that and you will see that there's literally nothing close to 30 minutes apart from seafood or meat. um Everything is picked from here and made, so it's so fresh and organic. That's how it is in some of the villages, and I love it. I feel grateful and thankful to God that my village is still like this. So yeah, but my cousin's place, that is my elder sister's place, it's in a city. Like, there's gas there. Like, what I mean by gas is there's stove top there, so I can make or cook anything here. I don't actually know on this chula, but my mother knows. So she made some paneer and ragi rotis yesterday. It's actually Karnataka, and I don't know the sub district. The district is Mangalore, I guess, and then it is a very small village. So I don't know what's the sub district exactly. So yeah, that's about this vlog. I will see you when I cook, which is going to cook, or when I taste test the protein powder. Also, if I eat something in the middle, I'll also shoot that because why not? This vlog is all about food. This channel is all about food, so I'll show everything. And in case you're wondering how am I completing my protein goals, then I'm having oats. There's this oats by Pintula. I mean, I don't enjoy the taste that much, but protein is important. So yeah, I've been eating that in for breakfast, and then I mix anything with soybean. I brought soybean with here, so I mix anything with soybean and have it for lunch, and then for dinner also I figure out um, something. So yeah, protein is not getting sacrificed, and I'm very surprised by that because you literally get everything here, literally everything. You when I cook something or when I eat something. See you, tata. My mother cooked some dal, millet roti, and paneer bhuji with all the ingredients and vessels she could find there. She did not find a rolling pin and the vessel on which the roti is rolled, so she made the millet roti with hands and put it straight on the tawa. Apart from that, we did not find a lot of masalas there. So, I mean, there was some basic masalas, the basic spices like turmeric, chili powder. But apart from that, we did not have a lot of spices. So we bought a local masala, like an allspice masala. What I mean by allspice masala is a masala that would spice up the sabzi or curry, whatever you're making, without you requiring to add any other masala apart from that. And I have to say, anything cooked on this open wood fired stove, be it dal, roti, sabzi, anything, the taste is amplified by 10x by just cooking on it. And especially if you're cooking non-vegetarian like chicken, mutton, fish, or any of that, it tastes amazing when cooked over this. Actually, I wanted to cook chicken here, but the fact that it's so hot around it and I don't even know how to cook on it, I did not. I don't know if I'm audible or not, but this is oat pala. You basically make this of raw rice. You just blend it and make it. I have no idea how do you make this. This is something that we get here, and this is a speciality of here. In which my mother. तो
और दूसरा ना ओडिका उसमें
it is made in a separate vessel. I'll show you once I have this. How does it taste? It does not taste like dosa at all. It has its own taste and flavors. Can you see these holes on it? I mean, the usual dosas are plain, but these have some textures on top. This does not taste like dosa, but it does not taste like idli as well. It has its own taste. I cannot actually explain it in words because it does not. The textures, the taste, and everything of this is thing of its own, and I cannot resemble it with anything and explain it to you guys. But I will show you what it is cooked on, and I'm having some black coffee with it. And this is some normal red chutney, coconut chutney, and it has a tadka of red chilies. I guess that's why the color is red. Yeah, that's it. And also, I'm going to have this protein bar from Max Protein after I have this. This is the vessel in which the batter is blended. It's crazy how we use mixers in our home, but it's still made in these here. Amazing. I just completed my workout and took a shower, and this is the protein powder from Whole Truth that I was talking about. It's the cold coffee flavor, and I love their protein bars as I told you previously. So I'm excited to try this. So I'll go make this. I've not brought my shaker here, so I will just add this into a glass, add cold milk, and try to whisk it as hard as possible so that it gets blended in. But I don't think as this is a protein powder, I think I'll find it difficult to mix it, but we'll see it. I'll just bring a glass and add this with some milk and let you know if this gets blended easily or not, and we'll do the taste test of this. Now if you can see me properly or not, I have to literally stand on my toes to fit in, but this is what we're going to try. I mixed the protein shake and milk in this, whatever this is, this glass, and it was very easy to blend the protein powder with milk. When I say easy, I mean like very easy. The milk was warm, not even warm, it was cold milk, and I added straight to the protein powder and mixed with the spoon, and it was very easy to mix the protein powder. And I did not add any ice cube. As the flavor is cold coffee, it would taste really good with some ice cubes, but I don't have it here, so I did not add the ice cubes. But I'll do the taste test of this. I'm very excited because I absolutely love that. I'm repeating this for the fourth time because I'm just in love with that protein powder, and the fact that it's made with clean ingredients. It's great, but it's very dense in calories, so I don't consume it that often. Not because you can have it, you can enjoy it as a dessert, and if you're someone who is into clean ingredients, you could try that. Not sponsored at all, but let's just try this now, and I'll let you know how. Oh my god. This is sweetened with jaggery. This is sweetened with jaggery and it tastes amazing. If I would have put ice in this, it would have just tasted much good. Oh my god. It is amazing. I did not add a lot of milk because I know that it is sweetened with jaggery, so it would not taste that sweet if I added a lot of milk. So I added very little milk to it, and oh my god, with ice, it would just be next level. Amazing. Amazing. I bought the small sachets here of protein powder because I could not carry the big 1 kg, 2 kg packs here. So yeah, I brought this one. And also, I am going to make a chicken curry recipe like in a cooker. and I don't know how I'm going to shoot here without any tripod or any help. I have to do it all by myself. Maybe if my cousin helps me shoot it, then it would be easy, but I'll manage that, and I'm excited for that recipe. That recipe is very easy, is what I think, because I am planning on making it in a cooker and not using any other vessel apart from that. As I'm doing it, making it in a cooker, I'll get done with it quickly, but I'll let you know if that's something that happened or not. And also, I'm going to add coconut milk, my fave ingredient recently. So yeah, I'm going to add coconut milk to it. And yeah, it is going to be like a gravy kind of a chicken, and it is no chicken breast. I cannot find your chicken breast, chicken thighs, or any of that. It is normal curry cut chicken. I'm going to the store that I spoke about in my previous clips, that there's this one place here called More Mart or something, and you literally find everything there. See you in the grocery store and then in the kitchen. Ta-da! That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post healthy high protein recipes every week. I post 3 to 4 times a week. And let me know in the comments what food related content, what specific content you would want to watch on this channel. India, thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next one.